How to calculate percentage in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. I have these datas. Now, if I want to calculate percentage of the middle number, I can simply click on equal sign. After equal sign, start bracket, and then click on the first number that you're calculating, which is this year. Then add minus sign and the initial number, which is the previous year's number. Close the bracket. After you've closed the bracket, add slash, which is divide. Now again select the first previous data and then add star sign, which indicates multiply, and add 100. Then press on enter. You'll find it in decimal. This is the change. Now to convert this into percentage, simply click on the cell and click on percentage at the top. You'll find in numbers, and it will convert into percentage in this way. And this is how to calculate percentage in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.